This dog was born with only 2 legs, and many thought life would always be difficult for him. But because he never knew anything different, he refused to give up. He still ran with his friends, wore funny costumes, and even joined races. Until one thing held him back. He got tired much faster than everyone else. Seeing this, his owner came up with an idea that changed everything and built him a tiny wheelchair. At first, the dog didn't understand it, but with patience and love, he learned, and soon he wasn't just keeping up, he was running faster than ever. If this touched your heart, hit subscribe.